Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, working on this Leslie 147 amplifier. I removed all of the primary components. You can go back and watch that previous video on this. And I've started to install new parts. Put in this resistor, install these wire wound resistors here connecting to here. I've installed this 147 relay. Now I have a 10K potentiometer that I'm about to install. It'll go right there. And after that, I'll begin installing the various resistors and capacitors that go into the 147 amplifier. Of course, I'll have to install a power transformer. And this is one that I pulled in another project, but I believe this is a good transformer, so I'll be able to use it in this project. All right, so just showing you the progress I've made so far. Got to get it moving on to the next video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.